Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on how to make this instant hijab. And if you're just viewing my channel for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Balikis. I make DIY videos on modest wears and hijab. So if that's the kind of content you're looking for, then don't forget to tap the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be working with Zoya, the 1 meter Jessa fabric, the tape, chalk scissors, my straight through. Then the first thing I'm going to do to my fabric is to fold it in half. So I'm going to fold it into two. After which I'm going to be making use of an instant hijab I've made before. And I'm going to drop the link in the description box below so you can check it out if you haven't. So I'm just going to place that hijab on my folded fabric. And I'm going to put the front part of the hijab at the folded part because the hijab you actually want to make, it's not going to have joining at the front parts of the hijab. So I'm just going to place it that way. After which I'm going to fold the hijab cap in. And I'll just go ahead and chalk it out. After which I'm going to cut it out. Then for this tutorial, the front length of our hijab is 27 inches and the back length is around 30 inches. So after cutting, we should have something like this. So the folded part is the front hijab and then the opened end will be for the back part. And that's the hijab opening, the head circumference. So I'm just going to put that aside. Then for my remaining fabric, I'm going to check out 23 inches by 25 inches. So that part I'll just take 23 inches or 59 centimeter, and then at the other edge I'll take 25 inches or 64 centimeter. Then I'm just going to connect the 2 points together. So I'll just connect from one end to the other end. After which I'm going to cut out. Then from this I'm just going to cut out my hijab cap. So I folded it into two, after which I'll fold it into four. Then at that edge, I'm going to take 10 inches, which is my head circumference divided by 2. My head circumference is 20 inches. And I'll take 4 inches there. To know your head circumference, just take a tape around your face opening. And that will be for your head circumference. So I'm just going to cut that out. After which I will notch the midpoint. Then for this piece now, I'm just going to take the 23 inches point and I'm going to fold twice and then hem it. So I'm just doing that. So I'm done hemming it. Then coming to my real hijab piece now. So I'll just open up the back piece. So I'll just open the hijab and the right side is facing me. After which I will come down from that edge by 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeter. Then I'm going to place the hemmed piece there. After which I will place the second back piece. So I'm having 3 pieces in total. So I'm just going to pin that down. So I'll just go ahead and pin the 3 pieces together. After which I will take it to my sewing machine and I'm going to stitch it all down. So I'm just joining the 3 pieces together. So after joining, this is what we're going to have. So I'll just go ahead and open it. So I'm just turning it to the right side. So we have something like this. So the next thing we are going to do is just to attach the hijab cap to the hijab piece. So I'll just take my hijab cap and I'm going to pin it to the hijab piece. Then the notched part of the hijab cap will be at the joining of the back hijab piece. So I'll just start pinning from there. After which I'll take it to my sewing machine and then I'm going to stitch it all. So I'm done. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to our hemmed part and I'm go down by 8 inches or 20 centimeter. So I'm just going to mark that point. Then what I'm going to do now is to hem from the end there to the 8 inches point. Then I'm just going to hem it to the hijab piece. I'm going to join it to the hijab piece. So I'll just take it to the sewing machine and do that. So I'm done hemming. I'm done stitching. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to hem the lower part of the hijab. I will hem all the sides, or you can just overlock it. So that's all about this hijab. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you can share with other hijab lovers. And don't forget to tap the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. That's if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan.